Hi, I'm Matt.
I'm Michelle. Today, guys, we're gonna be making some easy goulash. First thing we're gonna do, we've got some water on the stove and it's boiling. Second, I cut up one large onion, a dice, however you like it, and I did like
A lot.
a whole bunch of celery.
We like it crunchy.
I like a lot of it.
Yeah.
So
you can reduce it down if you don't like as much celery.
I like celery. Okay, we're gonna have some tomatoes out of the can diced up, some noodles, some tomato sauce, and some ground beef. That's it. Let's go. So you can start heating up. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it in there. And would you like to break it up? 1 pound of ground beef. And there you are. Okay, just kind of get it going. Because I want this to be easy, watch this. It's gonna cook. I'm gonna just dump the celery. Here, and you can dump the onion.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And it all can cook down together.
I'll take that.
Mix it together. Okay, so now you're just gonna let it sit and leave it alone. In the meantime, we have our pot of water and it's boiling. You wanna add a little bit of salt to your water. Just a little flavor. I'm gonna take like a good solid pinch of it. ×2. Okay? And then if you would like, we're gonna use elbow macaroni noodles. Off we go. Ooh.
That smells good.
Fun little gadgets. Here it is. Fun little gadget. Does
That's
it make
cool.
a mess?
Very cool.
You can do this one too. Watch. Double fun little gadget. So basically what's going to happen is this is just going to cook down. The noodles are going to cook. I will have to tell you, secret ingredient will be revealed at the end. No.
Hands off.
No. Cooking can be fun.
Do us a favor. Click like and subscribe down below. And leave a comment.
This is going to take a little bit because, why? You want the veggies to kind of soften, so it's going to take a while.
You usually make this and we have it for like 2 nights. So
Yeah.
it's good that you could like make it quick and use it more than 1 night. Man, that smells good. I love onion when it's kind of fried.
I know you do. How's it coming?
How do you know the pasta's done?
Check for the recipe in the description. We'll also have links to some of the things that we use in case you're interested. So we're going to check our pasta. Here's how you double check. Ready?
Oh.
I will tell you. Yep.
How do you
All
drain?
done. You're gonna, this is where the water is gonna come out. So you have to hold the lid and the sides.
The water spout?
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You want to do this?
Yep.
Okay.
All of the good cooks say you leave a little bit of water in because it helps the sauce stick to your pasta. What you can do, my love, is
Dump
hold
it in there?
Yeah.
So, thank you.
Okay. Dump 3 cans of diced tomatoes. You're gonna stir it a little bit with this spoon.
This one?
Yeah. Really get it in there and mix it all up. Stir it all, mix it all in there really good. Also gonna need about 8 ounces of tomato sauce. You're gonna mix that in. It starts to get kind of saucy.
Like you?
Yeah.
Saucy.
If you wouldn't mind, like and subscribe. Make It Matter TV. Now, ready? I told you if you stayed to the end of the video, I was gonna give you the secret ingredient. I'll be right back. I'm gonna travel over to my little trusty refrigerator to shake up some ketchup. And I am gonna give 1, 2 squirts. Mix it up. Something about the ketchup. It's not tomato paste, it's ketchup. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, that's it. All you have to do. And put it in your bowl. And you have easy goulash. It's dairy free. And there you are, hon.
That's good.
You can like and subscribe. Pretty please would be great. Thanks for coming. See you next time.